Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to avoid interruptions to your subscriptions and purchases. Verify your payment information. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue on your iPhone screen, that to avoid interruption to your subscriptions and purchases, verify your payment information. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So if you have already added a payment method to your Apple ID and you're facing this type issue, or if you haven't any payment method in your Apple ID, so you are still having the same issue. So let's see how can you fix it in every condition. So very first you have to open your settings app here, and then you have to go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected because your VPN may affect your location based content, and your payment method is just only a location based content. So once you have disabled or disconnect your VPN, you have to go back and you have to make sure that you have a strongest and stable network connection. And once you have checked all of these, you have to tap on your Apple ID, then select payment and shipping option, and you have to delete your previous payment method from here. Once you have deleted, you have to open your settings, go for general, go for country or region or language and region. Select your region and you have to select the same region in which you're living. And once you have selected, go back, open your App Store, tab on your profile option in the top right corner, tab on your Apple ID, and now you have to select country or region option. And then you have to select your own country or region in which you're living or the same one which you have just selected in your iPhone. Select that, tab on continue, then tab on agree option in the top right corner. Now you have to simply add your payment method. If you already have any payment method added, so you have to delete it first and then re-add it again. Here it will update your payment information, so you will not get the issue again which you're still having. So once you have added your payment method, here add your credit card or debit card info, add your billing address, your phone number, and your name. Then tap on done. Once you have added all of these, and your payment method will be updated. You will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.